Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to enable high priority group on WhatsApp notifications. So friends, before we continue these steps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on WhatsApp. Here you have to click on this three dot. Then here you have to click on setting, and here you have to click on notification. Okay, if you want to enable high priority group notification on WhatsApp, you have to scroll down to group. Okay, then only you have to scroll down to use high priority notification. Okay, if you want to enable, at first you have to check the group, then only scroll your eyes to use high priority notification. Okay, if you want to enable, just click on this icon and it will be enabled. Okay, on it should be on the right side like this. Okay, and it will be enabled. Okay, this one is disable and this one is enable. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on this icon on the right side and it will be enabled on your WhatsApp. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.